In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the WooCommerce checkout page. Whether you're looking to customize your customer's shopping experience or streamline the checkout process, editing this page is a great step toward achieving a professional and user-friendly storefront. Let's dive in and take a closer look at how you can tailor this page to fit your brand's needs using Gutenberg. First, we need to navigate to the Pages section in your WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of all the pages associated with your site. Locate the one labeled Checkout and proceed to edit this page with Gutenberg. Gutenberg, as you might already know, is WordPress's block editor that gives you a lot of flexibility to customize your pages with a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. When you initially open the checkout page, you might notice a classic shortcode that looks something like this: WooCommerce Checkout. This shortcode signifies an older way of handling WooCommerce pages. To modernize and take full advantage of Gutenberg's features, go ahead and delete this shortcode. Once removed, you'll want to replace it by inserting the checkout block, which can be found via the block inserter. The block inserter is a convenient tool that allows you to find and add new blocks to your page effortlessly. Simply search for the checkout block and add it to your page. After adding the checkout block, it's time to get a better view of how your page is structured. In the toolbar of Gutenberg, you'll find a List View option. Clicking on this will display the full layout of the checkout page in a neatly organized manner. Here, you'll see how everything is segmented, offering you an overview of the layout elements and giving you easy access to each part of the page. Now, let's break down these segments. At the top, you'll notice the checkout header. This area is typically where elements like the page title or any introductory text might be located. Below that, on the left side, are the checkout fields. These are the fields your customers will interact with to enter information like their shipping address and billing details. Meanwhile, on the right side, you will find the checkout totals. This area displays the summary of the customer's order, including the subtotal, shipping, taxes, and the final total they need to pay. Understanding and manipulating these sections can significantly enhance the checkout process. Focus on making it as intuitive and straightforward as possible for your customers. With these instructions in hand, you're now equipped to personalize your WooCommerce checkout page, ensuring it aligns with your brand while maintaining a seamless user experience. Remember, a well-crafted checkout page can not only prevent cart abandonment, but also encourage repeat purchases. Happy editing!